Presenting the Canon EOS 80D 24.2 megapixel digital SLR camera. It uses a CMOS image sensor, dual pixel CMOS AF, which ensures focusing is smooth, accurate and fast. Coupled with a DIGIC 6 processor, the camera enables you to capture high-quality photographs in Full HD. The camera's viewfinder is capable of detecting and alerting you when your light source is flickering. It also features an anti-flicker shooting function where the camera automatically captures your photograph only at peak light volume during continuous shooting. It comes with a 3.0-inch vari-angle LCD touchscreen and offers Full HD video recording and scene modes. With the HDR and time-lapse movie features, you can create silent movies by capturing images at set intervals. Its auto ISO 100 to ISO 16000 sensitivity range allows you to capture high-quality photography in a wide range of lighting conditions. The 7560 pixel metering sensor maintains focus easily even while capturing moving objects. With continuous shooting at 7 frames per second, you can be sure not to miss the perfect moment while shooting rapidly occurring scenes. The camera comes with connectivity options like Wi-Fi and NFC to transfer your images and videos through the Camera Connect app. This camera comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, a battery charger, a 18 to 55 STM lens, memory card, camera bag, eye cup, wide strap. This Canon EOS 80D comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail the EMI option. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.